In this video, we listed the 5 best metal detector on AliExpress that are available on the market for their true quality. Actually, I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the description section below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get future reviews. It's done, let's dive into the video. Number 1. HANMATEK SF2 Stud Finder. The SF2 Stud Finder is a tool designed to detect metals, both ferrous and non-ferrous, wood studs, and live AC wires in walls, ceilings, and floors. It has a maximum scanning depth for various materials and operates on a 9V battery. The tool comes with an LCD screen for easy viewing and has automatic switch off after approximately 5 minutes of inactivity. It is important to note that the detector's ability to detect objects may be affected by the proximity of other equipment that produce strong magnetic or electromagnetic fields, as well as by moisture, the size of objects, metallic building materials, foil laminated insulation materials, and conductive wallpaper. This user-friendly tool is certified with CE and is suitable for electrical DIY supplies. Number 2. MD4060 Metal Detector. The TechPoint Metal Detector from mainland China features a 3.1-inch LCD display that shows the type and depth of metal targets, as well as the battery condition. It includes notch and disc modes for target discrimination, 3-tone audio discrimination, sensitivity adjustment, and pinpointing function. The detector is easy to assemble and operate, with a waterproof search coil for shallow water operation, a headphone jack, and adjustable height for user comfort. It is suitable for use in various applications such as gold, silver, coin, metal, and cultural relics detection. Number 3. HANMATEK SF1 Detector. The SF1 Stud Finder is a tool designed to detect metals, both ferrous and non-ferrous, wood studs, and live AC wires in walls, ceilings, and floors. It has a maximum scanning depth for different materials and operates on a 9V battery. The tool also features an automatic switch-off function after approximately 5 minutes of inactivity. However, it is important to note that the detector's ability to detect objects may be affected by various factors such as the proximity of other equipment producing strong magnetic or electromagnetic fields, moisture, size of objects, metallic building materials, foil laminated insulation materials, and conductive wallpaper. Number 4. FNIRSI WD-01 Metal Detector. The KKS-MILE WD-02 wall detector is an upgraded version of the WD-01, originating from mainland China. It features a high-definition TFT display screen, new UI interface, and 6 language options. With 3-level sensitivity adjustment, it can detect steel bars, metal joists, metal pipes, wood, and wires in walls, ceilings, and floors. The detector offers 3 detection modes: metal, wood, and AC, and a brand new positioning hole designed to prevent drilling into wires and steel bars. It is rechargeable with a lithium battery capacity of 3.7V 300 mAh and has a continuous working time of 6 hours. The maximum depth of exploration varies for different materials, including foreign bodies, copper wire, iron metal, alternating current, and non-ferrous metal. The device also includes a buzzer alarm for added convenience. Number 5. TX850L Metal Detector. The Shuan TX850 is a high-concerned chemical metal detector with a rechargeable power type and CE, RoHS certification. It is designed for outdoor use and comes with an LCD screen. The model is specifically tailored for gold prospecting, with high sensitivity to small gold nuggets and versatile functions for all-purpose treasure detection. The detector features a sophisticated ground balancing system, separate control over signal gain and threshold, and a unique discrimination control system, making it suitable for relic hunting as well. However, it exhibits slightly lower sensitivity to high-conductivity coins, as it is specialized for small, low-conductivity targets. Prior experience with a metal detector is recommended for optimal use, and specific precautions are advised for indoor use.